Implementing demand-driven is really a company-wide process. The interesting thing is the process starts with changing the planning function, which seems like a very odd way to start the transformation of a company. But it works that way because changing the planning function now allows a company to define capability. And then you can align that capability with their strategic desire of where the company wants to go. So that alignment of capability to market requirements is really the critical part of implementing it. So it really touches all areas of the company.